All you have to do is take it out of the box. Open the device with plastic pick. Purchase the right SIM card with data package. Monthly data consumption up to 5 MB. Deactivate PIN code. Insert your Nano type SIM card in correct direction. Close delete. Download the app SmartJimi. Register or sign up. Enter your valid email. Create password, repeat password. Press button to get verification code. Check your email, inbox or spam. Copy verification code to registration form. Push submit. Add your device by pushing plus button. Scan IMEI or put it manually. Plug device into your car's OBD port and enjoy your real-time car tracking.